Hello, let's talk about Lesson 1, Introducing Earthquakes. In this first lesson, it is a pre-assessment for you to learn more about what your students know and about their misconceptions about earthquakes. Now, they will learn a bit about earthquakes in this lesson, so they do need to be prepared to start working on this chart. I will not mention this chart in every single video. I just want to be sure that you're aware of it as we begin. So in Lesson 1, students follow the steps in getting started in the book, where they make a concept map about what they know about earthquakes, and you will need to prod them to use causes and effects if they do not already include those topics in their concept map. Students will watch a video made by Nova, and this is a 60-minute video, so you want to preview it ahead of time and think about where to break it down and maybe even skip over some parts of it depending on the time you have in class. We've written in a sneak preview for another Nova video about a killer quake in Japan. And finally, in the elaborate section, students look at some myths that others in the past have written about earthquakes and perhaps connect their own ideas about earthquakes to what other people had about earthquakes. Some of the things that we've brought in this lesson, in the video section, for instance, students talk about the credibility of the source of the information as they begin to think critically about evidence. And students start here thinking about whether or not myths were based on evidence and start bringing in the whole idea of evidence right away. Thanks for watching the video, and let us know some interesting misconceptions your students might have had in Lesson 1.